Hey, I'm Brooke, and I wanted to review for you this stainless steel cloth that I didn't know I needed. So, if like me, you have a lot of stainless steel appliances or your sink itself is, I was getting frustrated because I generally Windex a lot of stuff. And even with Windex, nothing was leaving it streak free until I got this cloth. So let me show you how little it takes. I just put the tiniest bit of water on here and I'm able to get everything. I'm not sure if you can see the amount of fingerprints on here, but this will wipe away with the soft side of this cloth absolutely streak free all of the fingerprints, the smudges, and then there's two sides to this cloth. So soft side for this type of brush stainless, but then it also has this side that has a little more grit, and I'll use that to get my handles clean. And it has been an absolute lifesaver when it comes to avoiding a lot of the smudges and smearing that I would see with virtually any type of cleaner I was using on all of these areas in our home that are just easy to wipe down now because I don't need to go back and repeatedly try to get rid of all of the smudges. So if you do not have a stainless steel cloth, grab this up. You don't even need to add, or you shouldn't add, any detergent or anything to it. You can throw it in the wash. I've washed this many of times over the last couple of years and used the exact same one for pushing 3 years at this point. So if you don't have one, this thing is an absolute must have.